So we are going to create a new series on how to make Discord.js version 14 bots. In this video we will see how to create a Discord.js version 14 bot. So let's get started. To create a Discord bot from the developer website of Discord, here you have to pick a name and click the check mark and then create. So I already have it. I will select it and let it come. So here it is. Now you have to go to the bot section and grab the token from here, and you have to go to the URL generator, pick the options bot, and then I will choose admin so that I don't have any problem in future. So now select application.commands, which we'll need in future. So let's copy the link and paste it in a new window. So paste it here and invite it to your server by authorizing it. It's a bit slow, so wait a minute. So here you have to select the server in which you want to invite and then click continue and then authorize. Solve the captcha here if it comes. In my case it got auto solved. So now it's authorized. Now we will check it out in the Discord server. So here it is, regs. This is the bot I have created. So you have to create and invite it. Now we will start coding it in Visual Studio Code. Copy the token and let's open Visual Studio Code. Here you have to type npm init-y so that it creates the package file. So let's create index.js and env file where we'll put the token, and index.js where we will code. So put the token here just as I do. So let's wait till the initialization is completed. Now we have to install two packages. First one is .env, which will help to require the .env file, and the second one is discord.js, in which we will code. So install it and wait till it gets installed. So once it's successfully installed, we will start to code. First we will require .env file. Do it like I do. So require .env .config brackets, and yes. Now we will require discord.js. We will import client and intent bit field from this discord.js package. equal to require discord.js in brackets. Okay, so now we will configure the client here. Const client is equal to new client, and we will define the intents inside this bracket. So intents is equal to, no, not this column, we will require the array column. So here in this we will define the intents we will require. So we need intent bitfield dot flag dot guilds, guild member, guild messages, message content. First of all we will require guilds, then intent bitfields dot flag dot guild members. Now we will require guild messages, intent bitfield dot flags dot guild messages. And now we need message content, intent bitfield dot flags dot message content. So it's all done. This is required because of the new Discord rules, that is server member intent, message content, that privileged gateway intent, which are now required. So these all are the required intents. So let's now run the onReady event, client onReady, and here we will define the console log. Once it is ready, it will log that xbot is ready. So console dot log client dot bot or client dot user dot tag, and is now online. Okay, so and next we have to define the message create event, which is client on message create, client on message create, and this will help us in recognizing the message content and replying to the message. So the arrow sign and brackets in this, if message, brackets, if message dot first of all we will do author dot bot. If message dot author is a bot, then return nothing. And if message dot content is equal to hello, this is a sample command hello, which then the bot will reply with hi, return message dot reply hi. So message dot reply in brackets hi. It's done. Now we will have to create the login function, which is client dot login, and we will have to pass the token here, which we have defined in env process.env.token. So we did it in capital K. Proceed. token. Now let's run this code and check if it's complete or not, successful or not. We have to do node dot and hit enter. So wait till it successfully runs and logs xbot is online now. Let me show you. The bot is offline currently so that you can see when it comes online. Okay, here it is offline. Now wait till it comes online. So here Rex is online now. Now the bot is online, as you can see in the Discord server. Now we will type the command hello, which we defined earlier, and hit enter. Then the bot replies with hi. So this is all for now. Now it's working. The next part will be released soon. Till then, do like, share, subscribe, and share my content with your friends who want to become developer. Thank you so much for watching.